Ladies and gentlemen, here we have other stock crash in Herbalife, nothing that you were not expecting, except the Americans that they were fully invested in Herbalife expecting something else. And in fact, when I consider all the case studies that we have been publishing during the course of 2014, I remember one quite important case of Cons, a company, an American company, which we consider the total scam, total collapse, as you all know. I think that this company is a competitor to Cons. I'm referring to Herbalife. And this because ahead of earnings announcement, we pretty much like we saw in the past in other companies in the US, namely in Sears Holdings, it came out a report from a stock analyst in the United States. Obviously it had to be in the United States because it is the only country in the world where they can see UFOs. The stock analyst said that this company was worth more than $200, my friends, $200. So if the stock was worth $200, probably the stock should be trading at least at $150 plus, I would say, no? So what you have seen here, it is a call to reality. So the stock was up on bonds, but the trend is always the most important, my friends. So since our strong sell rating in Herbalife, and bear in mind that we already discussed this before on several blog posts, in case studies including live trade calls, in video on demand lessons where I said that Herbalife to be a wonderful long-term short, today you have no reasons whatsoever to be surprised for the fact that Herbalife is once again close to $40. So the stock lost in a matter of basically 48 hours everything that gained to on a bounce to almost $57, and the stock could not break, as you can see on the chart, the downtrend in place, and by re-entering the short side, if you wanted to near the red line, today you are making further profits in a stock where you already are a millionaire investor. So never buy scam companies, never invest in scam companies, because scam companies, they are good for the American retail investor who believes in Wall Street analysts buying stocks to $200, my friends. Anyway, this information has been available in our website, in the blog, completely for free. And this was reiterated, I believe, already 10 times, I think. My colleagues, they mentioned this. The most recent one, here this blog post, let's see what this contains. The Illuminati revealed the shocking truth about Herbalife, and so I suggest that you read here Herbalife, a fraud and a short, and this refers to an article already, I believe that is probably several months old, in Herbalife. So if you play this, you'll notice that Herbalife is a fraud and a short. And if it is a fraud and a short, you had to have a short position in Herbalife and not a long position, because the Americans, they were long the stock. And when you have the Americans long a stock, you already know that 100% of them, they lose money, my friends. I already proved this thousands of times. The Americans, they don't make money ever. I'm referring to retail investors. I'm not referring to professionals, since those are our customers. Anyway, having said this, we have other interesting case study. If you have more questions about this, that is precisely in our showcase here, where you can find inspiration. You can refer to Herbalife, that is here, and you find already 2 case studies in Herbalife, and therefore this will be the third one. That is Herbalife stock, the best investment for short sellers. For some reason we decided to choose this title, and once again it has been proven to be correct. So consistent, since your aim in the stock market is to make consistent profits. And bear in mind that in this case study, and if you go through it, you notice, and there is a blog post about it, where we offer Mercedes CLA 45 AMG Edition 1 to Herbalife stock short sellers, my friends. So do you consider that are we fucking crazy? My friends, we are not fucking crazy. This has been a top short pick precisely to offer a Mercedes CLA 45 AMG. Now the question is, what is your position in Herbalife? How much have you done in Herbalife? Have you not yet had time to be a millionaire investor on the short side in Herbalife? Because the question is always the same. What are you doing in the stock market? How is it possible that a scam investor, if you bought this stock, you are a scam investor, therefore you, as a scam investor, you deserve to lose entirely your money in the stock market because you have been warned about it, okay? And if you need to know more about it, there is by far more information, and you can refer to, I believe, inside information, very valuable information that you can find in the blog of the company completely for free. And we can refer, for example, to this recent article here, and how stock market investors lose all their money. And if you click here, you find a real story, and this is a real story among thousands, my friends, thousands of stories that you can refer. And you have here where I receive calls from people all over the world, and including Americans. They lost a lot of money in following Wall Street analysts, buying Twitter ahead of earnings. Today Twitter, it is a stock trading at $40, my friends. No one told you to invest in Twitter, a bubble stock that I already called here more than once, the crash in Twitter. And you only buy Twitter when I cover the short positions. You don't buy Twitter if I'm not long the stock. So this is simple, there is nothing else to be said, and here you'll find more live calls, and this is the raw material. You can find here precisely the information that passed to institutions, to our subscribers, to hedge fund managers, and they were probably doing the opposite that you were doing, and therefore today they are breaking record profits while you lost all your money, and you deserve to lose all your money. Because, my friends, you are listening to those news on TV, you are listening to all bullshit that they want to sell you, while they are doing the opposite, and that is the reason why you keep losing money, my friends. So congratulations to all those that invested on the short side in Herbalife. Congratulations to all those that played the crash in Twitter, since this was our top priority compared in fact to Herbalife. Herbalife, it is a stock for you, since the stock already crashed. It was a stock for you to gain the Mercedes, the AMG. And also the recent, one of the most recent calls, wonderful, in Alibaba, a stock that rallied all the way up to $110. Everything has been described in advance why today Alibaba is a stock at $110 compared, for example, to this Twitter or Herbalife that they were not obviously investments in stock market. Moreover, for example, yesterday you had more calls, free, completely for free, in GoPro, selling the stock at $87. Today GoPro is trading at $78, my friends. So I think that this is quite simple. I don't see any reason whatsoever to lose money in the stock market unless you decided to do so. So my only conclusion is someone that is losing money in the stock market, or they are fools or idiots or consistent losers, that they just want to lose money in the stock market because they believe in someone that has no credibility whatsoever by saying that Herbalife was a stock worth $250. It reminds me of the story of Sears Holdings. Someone in last year, in 2013, said the same. As well as in 2007, someone, a director of one of the most popular websites in the US, said that Sears Holdings, it was a stock worth 250, and he made the call precisely at the top, ahead of a complete stock meltdown. So my friends, here you have the conclusion, that is, you continue losing money in the stock market because you want to, and you continue doing so, and we continue breaking record profits year after year, and we are very happy to do so. Thank you.